Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to undo an action in OneNote on your iPhone. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Microsoft OneNote and you want to undo a certain action, you might want to click the sign up option and download the OneNote on the iOS. And from here, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To undo an action in OneNote on your iPhone, it's quite easy. You just have to follow these simple steps. Number one option is, for example, you have type in accidentally anything here like a text, or you may have misapplied formatting styles such as bold, italics, or font changes, or you kind of like have an error while using the pen or highlighter tool. Or you might have type mistakes or adding incorrect information. For you to be able to undo any certain actions here, if you hover to the top right corner, the three dots icon, if you go to the settings, there isn't like an option for you to undo. There's no native feature for a dedicated button for undo. You see that? Nothing, right? But you can do is manually erase the text that you have done. All right? That's one way. Another option is, this is going to be quite easy. All you have to do is shake your mobile device. If you do that, there's going to be an undo certain actions that will happen. You see that? All right, so let me type something again here. All right. Shake and then click undo. You see that? The shake word has gone, right? All you have to do is shake the mobile device for you to be able to undo it. But how does you get that kind of feature? Well, it's kind of easy. Now, I want you to go to the settings of your iPhone, all right? And then hover to down below where you can see the accessibility. That's going to be under general, all right? Click on it, and there should be an option here that says touch, which has the physical and motor, all right? I want you to click on it. There is an option here that says shake to undo. All right. If you tend to shake your iPhone by accident, you can disable shake to undo to prevent undo alert from appearing. And of course, that is an option for you to undo misusing accidental overwriting or replacing important content, which is a quick way to correct these issues without manually fixing them. All right. So these are going to be a very handy tool for you to be able to fix anything here in your OneNote app using your iPhone. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.